Hello again, guys. We're going to go over another practice technique that could be of great assistance on those nights that you're unable to play or practice at your house with your full instrument. So we're going to go ahead and use our one instrument, though we're not going to play any notes on it because so we can learn how to practice sometimes without necessarily having to play on our horns. So we're going to look at number 27, Lightly Row. This is a duet. We're going to look at the A line. So one thing you can do to practice, just like we've been working on, is get that rhythm worked out. So if you are doing it, first two measures, divide and conquer technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got that worked out. And then go back through and make sure you get the notes. You got F, D, D, E flat, C, C. Okay, for a flute, trombone, baritone, and tuba. Those were the notes. And let's say your note names. And then a great thing to do is, air and finger. Okay, that's a great way to practice. Then continue the divide and conquer technique to the point where you don't have to necessarily play your instrument out loud to have had a good practice session. This is what we call mental practice sometimes, where you can even do it without your instrument. If you want to, you can air and finger. Okay? Not everything you do has to have the instrument in order to practice, and this is something that everyone needs to understand. There's different ways of practice, and I know everybody has days where they're not able to take their horn out. They get home late after swim meet or cross country or all sorts of things like that. But there are still things that we can do to practice, even if just a few moments. So that way you're looking over your music. For our more advanced members, especially for one of the pieces we're doing right now that's in B flat minor, the best thing to do is just air and finger over it sometimes, just making sure that you're good with the key that we're in. Now for the younger students, that may be a bit much, but you'll get there, okay? So the practice techniques of figuring out your rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Notice how I'm singing a pitch as I'm looking at the music. The music goes up, so my pitch can go up. It may not be the right notes, but it gives me an idea of kind of where the line goes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I can kind of have an idea what it should sound like. These are all techniques that you can do without your instrument to help you on those days, like I said, on those days where you can't get it out and practice. Even maybe mom's asleep or dad's asleep, or, you have a broken reed, or you left your mouthpiece at home. These are all different ways to practice that would be very beneficial and help get you where you need to be so that reading the music and the notes and the rhythms are no longer the big issue. So I hope this is a useful technique for you. Please let me know if you have any questions about what we're doing in class or any other way I can help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.